When an elephant sneezes, the whole jungle flies away.
The elephant stands in the jungle with a huge red nose, looking funny. Achoo! Oh no, I feel a sneeze coming, the elephant said, sneezing. Other animals giggle. Careful, elephant, your sneezes are too big, the other animals teased. Elephant suddenly sneezes. Achoo! The sneeze is so strong it blows monkeys off the trees, chickens spinning in circles, bananas flying everywhere. Animals tumble down in a silly heap. Oops, sorry, elephant said, embarrassed. Bless you, King Tornado knows, monkey said humorously. Sometimes even a sneeze can be hilarious.
And that's why they call him King Tornado Nose. Would you survive his sneeze?